Vadhavan port is something which is going to change the economy of India and Maharashtra totally.
It will be a mega terminal, and this will be an integral part of the IMEC corridor.
During their first meeting in the Modi 3.0 government, the Union Cabinet approved the construction of an all-weather port at Vadhavan in Maharashtra. This port, located around 110 kilometers from Mumbai, will be built at a cost of 76,000 crore rupees. Once it's completed, it will be among the top 10 ports in the world. But why exactly is this so significant? Let's find out. Vadhavan Port will be the 13th major port, part of the government's Sagar Mala initiative, which aims to make Indian ports major contributors to the country's GDP. Vadhavan Port's capacity will be far higher than any other Indian port so far.
JNPT is India's one of the biggest port. It handles around 60% of our container traffic. Vadhavan Port is 3 times bigger than JNPT port. It has a deep draft of 20 meters. It will be India's biggest port, and for next 20 to 30 years, the entire Indian economy will be actually fueled and charged by this Vadhavan port.
The natural draft of the port, which at the proposed site is over 18 meters, makes it a deep draft port. This means that it can accommodate large vessels and big cargo ships. The natural draft of this site is a positive because it means lesser maintenance and operational costs and lesser need for dredging. This is an important parameter to develop a new port. This will also be a crucial part of the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor or IMEC project. It will act as the main feeder port and propel cargo movement to Chabahar in Iran and the International North-South Transport Corridor too. Due to its location on the west coast, it can also be projected as a hub port in the Arabian Sea. Importantly, it will ease pressure on JNPT, which currently accounts for about 50% of the total containerized cargo volume across India's major ports, since it's connected to around 200 ports across the world. According to the government, the world-class maritime terminal facilities will promote public-private partnership and make it capable of handling mainline mega vessels which ply on international shipping lines. In fact, the cabinet has also approved establishing road and rail connectivity to the port through national highways and the existing and upcoming rail networks. The government says it will create employment opportunities for 12 lakh people. The port will be developed in 2 phases, first ending in 2030 and the second ending in 2039. The JN Port Authority and Maharashtra Maritime Board will have a 74% and 26% stake in the project respectively. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more such content, keep watching Mint and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.